Can't see nothing at all. But I'm at the park drawing. I'm really trying to figure out this hair situation, right? But I'm gonna stop because I feel like I'm about to mess up. It's like I love you got it with this, but okay, never mind. I'm not messing up at all. Actually, I'm actually eating it up. And I don't know. Lately, I've been liking. I know you're supposed to outline and erase the sketch part, but I like that part. I like how it looks like that. So feel it. Yeah, I like how it looks with the. See, my progress look how cute. Don't look at her like we gotta clean her up with some white pen. But you see, so cute. Isn't she the cutest? And I've been trying to work on like fluidity within my drawing because I really want to start like drawing outfits. And I feel like it would look so cute with these long ass necks because my vibe is kind of like mannequin head. Well, I ain't gonna tell all that. I ain't gonna tell all my business. We are boy Okay, I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to see me draw. Yes, y'all do. Look at me in my head. But this little orange fox, bro, I hope I ain't speak him up. We kind of twinning today. But girl, he be on one. We really be chilling. And I pray he continue to chill in Jesus' name, because I don't like that at all. But this is his home, and who am I to say like where he can and can't be, which is why as soon as he can be here, I cannot. So I'm going to be GONE, bitch. I mean, boo. Ooh, let me get my photograph. Just grab it. Some birds, like calling, what you call it, chirping, sounds exactly like little futuristic guns. Oh, I'm messing this one up. I'm gonna blame y'all. Okay. Okay, this kind of made me excited to do this one. Look how cute. Can you see that? Hopefully, because I'm eating this one up. I like when you kind of like getting the groove of drawing, it just kind of start, everything makes sense. Oops, spoke too soon. No, I didn't. I ain't speak too soon. Oh, Jesus. I'm about to go and head to the crib. Well, not the crib. My crib. Not my crib. To the crib. But yeah. This is how far along we got. Look how cute they are. Ooh, look at her. She's so gorgeous. And I'm really loving how I'm getting comfortable with like different angles of the head and like different facial structures. I'm gonna put up my inspo. Ooh. I'm gonna put up my inspo so y'all can see where I got it from, but don't look nothing like them, and that's what I try to do. I try to use them for reference, not inspo, reference, my reference photos. But I'm trying to like stop doing it so I won't handicap myself into like depending on I need to see this face, but sometimes you need to see the real thing in order to like make the other thing come to life, you feel me? Yeah. Or I might just stay outside because it's beautiful. Like I've been out here for like an hour and a half already, and I was just talking to God. But yeah, bye. Yes. Oh, hi. I look thick on it. I know.